Guys, it's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're gonna work on a 2013 Honda Civic. And today I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter on the 2013 Honda Civic. Now this procedure is gonna be pretty much the same thing for most years. Hondas, whether it's Civic, even Honda Odyssey, basically anything Honda, it'll be very similar. Basically the same spot, just maybe a couple of different things. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, so your cabin filter is located behind the glove box. So first thing we gotta do, we open up the glove box and clean it all up. After we clean up the glove box, you see these little tabs right here. You have one on either side. So you can just pull on the glove box, on the plastic, and then pull them inwards so you can drop the glove box. And here you will see this black box here. This is where the air filter goes. So it's inside this little cap right here, this little tab. So you press the tab inwards, both sides, and you take off this lid. Pull out the lid. That's the air cabin filter. Make sure that you look at the airflow. It's pointing downwards, so you pull it out and you can see that really dirty air filter. And this is the part number for this air filter right here. Now this is just this particular brand, but that was the part number right there. So when you put in the air filter, make sure that the arrows are pointing down. But this filter kind of goes sideways compared to where the letters are at, but you turn it around, you put it sideways, and you just push it all the way in. Once it's all the way in, you go ahead and grab your cap, your lid, and you put it both sides. Make sure it clips on after that. And for the glove box itself, you just push it all the way up. It clips on. Okay guys, so that is it. That's how you replace a cabin filter on your Honda. And as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.